In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stylish drop shadow effect to your text or object layers. This technique is perfect for adding depth and dimension to your designs, creating a visually appealing and professional look. Whether you're working on a graphic design project, preparing a presentation, or simply enhancing a digital artwork, mastering the drop shadow effect can elevate your work to the next level. To get started, first select the text or object layer you wish to enhance with a drop shadow. It's important to ensure that you've clicked on the correct layer, as the effect will be applied specifically to the item you select. If you're working with multiple layers, locating the right one can be a bit tricky, so take your time and check that you have the right layer highlighted in your workspace. Once you're satisfied with your selection, turn your attention to the Effects panel. Within this panel, you'll find a variety of options designed to enhance and modify the appearance of your layers. Look for the small plus button located within the Effects panel. Click this button to access a list of effects that you can apply. From this menu, select Drop Shadow. By doing this, you're adding a new layer of effect that will give your text or object a shadowed outline. Now, with the drop shadow effect applied, it's time to adjust its properties to match your creative vision. You'll notice several parameters to play with, each contributing to the shadow's appearance. Starting with the color, you can choose a shade that complements or contrasts with your design. This choice depends largely on the aesthetic you're aiming for. Next, consider the opacity. By adjusting this setting, you can control how transparent or opaque the shadow appears, allowing you to create anything from a subtle suggestion of depth to a bold, standout shadow. Additionally, you can tweak the blur setting, which determines the sharpness or softness of the shadow's edges. A higher blur value results in a more diffuse shadow, while a lower value gives you a crisper line. Finally, don't forget the X and Y offset parameters. These settings allow you to modify the shadow's position relative to your text or object. By adjusting these offsets, you can create the illusion of light coming from different angles, adding another layer of depth to your design. After fine-tuning these settings, take a moment to preview the effect. Most editing software provides a real-time preview, giving you the opportunity to see exactly how your changes affect the overall look. If something seems off or if you're not fully satisfied with the outcome, feel free to return to the effect settings and make further adjustments. Experiment with different combinations until you achieve the desired look. And there you have it! You've successfully added a drop shadow to your text or object layer. Don't forget to save your work to preserve your newly polished design. With these skills in your toolkit, you're well on your way to creating designs with depth and impact. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!